Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some articles and suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile menu. Then we have to tap on settings. And then we have to scroll down to the bottom where we find log out. If you tap on this, then the app is going to ask us if you want to log out, if you are sure about this. And then we can just tap on yes, log out, and then proceed. Or we can just tap on no, stay logged in, and go back. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.